Oh, it's so hot today. What's good, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Kind of rushing right now because I have to move a lot of stuff around before someone comes over. But today we are finally able to do something since we have the time throughout this corona thing. And now, oh, this build is gonna start coming on. We're not working on my car today, guys. We're working on my friend's car. And oh my gosh. Alright, take two. You're like just touching, or you're like half, quarter inch from ground on your backside. You wanna go up on a brick? It's not scraping yet. You're just there. Oh, yeah. You good? Go backside over here is fine. Alright. You good? What's the undercarriage, yeah? Let's grab it.
How bad is it grabbing?
Wait, should I just put a brick here then? All the pain just for lowered cars. Let's do this again. Yeah. Yeah, you good? Yes. All the way in.
Yeah, but not lined up with your garage.
It's like Christmas morning. On a hot day in Hawaii.
Christmas, was that about when we got these?
Yeah.
Right there. Highest this car has ever been.
We can have the struts and stuff in about maybe 30 minutes.
Yeah. Because all it is, we can just...
So I mean,
once you get one in, it'll just be clockwork.
like
Tip.
laying.
Prep work. Get it done.
That's what I should have brought with my pry bar set.
Oh.
My plastic pry bar set.
Oh, we bought one.
Oh, you did?
Just for the paneling?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we bought one.
Banging.
It's been about an hour just trying to prep for all of the work that we gotta do. We got all the hardware laid out. The hardest part, because this car is so damn low, is that we have to get it on a lift. That way it'll just be making it a lot easier. So shout out to Aaron for getting us the quick jack. So plan is, we're getting it lifted right now. And the next thing that we're gonna do is pretty much lay out all the wiring, all the lines. That's probably the main thing, because we're gonna work from this is actually our first time, so we're gonna be working from the inside out, running all the lines to the wheel wells, as well as the electrical from the middle console and all the way to the battery. But we're trying to hope for tonight. We're gonna get this done by tonight, hopefully. So stay tuned.
There's like a fine line between like having faith and jinxing it.
This is a lifesaver, I'm not gonna lie.
We should have pulled the seats before we put it up.
Hold the what?
No.
I gave out my tags for this. Oh, for the other one rather. The red.
That's a damn good choice though.
We're on video.
Yeah, we're gonna
Keep it clean.
Get some beers for build action right here. But in slippers and shorts in the hot. B for Bustos. Oh, I like that one too. Alright, so what we're going to be doing is me and Skylar is going to be stripping out the interior, since that's the first thing that we need to do for the lines. Aaron's gonna be working on pretty much taking off all the wheels and kind of putting together the bags. That way we can get this done. It's hot today. I didn't expect it to be this hot.
It has to be like 80 something.
Bro, it has to be way hotter than that. I honestly think. Last night was so cold, and now today, I don't know why, but I think God just wants us to suffer. Just for a little bit, you know, we gotta put the sweat in.
Something higher than 300 horsepower.
32, man.
Alright. That's it. So,
As far as I can tell, they're exactly the same. But this, I believe, is rear. These might be rears. Oh, these are fronts. Those are fronts? I think so. We will find out.
oh, we don't have to put the bag together. This whole time I thought you had full airlift. Well, that makes it easier then for us. You just drop it in. This is the unboxing slash one-day install. One day. Nobody on YouTube ever did this. Nobody, yeah? I don't think so. First one on YouTube, bagging an NSX in a garage. All right, 20 minutes in. We already got chair unhooked. First bag is already going in. Got that 3P set up. That's nice. All right, let's take a look at what we're working with. Dual compressor, universal air bags, airlift 3P kit, 3/8 lines. You got the electrical here. So these are gonna go in first. Aaron's gonna be working on these at the same time. He already got one in, or getting one in. He already took one out. And compressors and tank go last. So interior is pretty much done. What we're gonna be doing is taking, and for anybody bagging first gen and second gen NSX, we're gonna take carpeting out a little bit, maybe if we have to. Mostly all of these panels right here, because we're gonna run lines going towards the back to the trunk. Chair is super simple. All it is just your 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and 4 over here. And then now we're gonna work on the trunk. So it's just push pins, yeah?
Yep. Keep in mind everything's quite old, so they kind of break easily.
Yeah, especially when you're running with a older car. Guys, make sure you be gentle. You treat it with respect.
It looks like a bathtub.
It looks like a bathtub, is that what you just said?
Yeah. That's so sick.
So all we're gonna do is just pretty much take out all the push pins over here, and we're gonna pull this lining out. From what we saw when we look under here, we'll show it to you. Oh, actually, go right there. So we're gonna run the air lines through here because the wheel well is right there. Depending how we want to do it, it's either we're gonna put the board over here, a temporary board over here on the side, or in the middle.
Like here, try just pull from the top gently. You can pull this pedal off gently.
So this just comes right off, yeah?
It's just here.
Oh, that's easy.
So this first, just
Oh.
pull it off.
Oh, this just pulls. Wait, so how do we put it back on? Oh, it just latches in.
Yeah.
Dude, learned something new today. All right, so that's easy. Man, this is why I think I'm gonna love Hondas now. It's that easy. Okay, so screw here, and we just pop this off.
To get that, you gotta get here first.
So we're gonna
pull
work
off
here.
right by the gas release lever. Pull that little cap off at the end. That'll get you exposed to the 2 screws to pull off the log.
Also working our way up.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. So first thing you do with the inside, as you guys saw, panel here, comes right off. Then we're gonna work our way up from the bottom of the plastic trimming. And then there's 2 bolts right over here, 1 and 2, or 2 screws. And then pretty much your access is gonna be straight into the electrical. Back panels are off. Next are gonna be your carpeting. Pretty much all of this is just, they pop right off. And when you get down in here, you guys can see that you got just bolts by the foot pedals, and all of that just comes right off. All right. One done. She is out.
Oh, this carpet's soaked.
Second one's in. Second one's going out. Oh, yours is easier on your side. So there's actually 4 bolts, guys. If I can find the holes. 1, 2, 3, and 4 up here. So these 2 right here, and those 2. What the hell?
Dude,
it's soaked. Dude, that's a lot of water. It's like a snail walked in. What the hell? Dude, that's a lot of water in here.
I thought you pulled out a bottle or something.
Dude, that's nuts. See, we're gonna run into problems. We found some water in the floorboard.
I probably didn't have the window up the whole time.
Probably that. Also, we found like glass, some quarters. Good thing we're doing this because now we can actually like clean up the inside a little bit. Is it that bad? Oh, it's like a pool in here. How much money we got? We got $1 yet?
I got more on the other. I took out a whole bunch already.
Oh, update. First bag is in. Front side. Aaron is killing us right now. Second one, just about to be disassembled. Next thing we're gonna be doing is taking off this. Oops, sorry. This little trim over here. We need to expose hardware over here. All it is just screws here and over there.
3 in the middle.
Yeah, you gotta like put your hand under it, or else it's gonna, or something to block it before it goes down. Okay, front side is done. Next you do the back portion of that. It's just 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we have liftoff. Second one is in. Ready to go. Oh, we just gotta hook up lines. First one is in right here. Pretty much, guys, the way you take out the fronts, take out the front. The way you take it out, just reverse it and do the same thing putting it back. Third one is in already. Take your time, guys, when you guys are doing installs. And then we got Aaron. It's the last one already.
Yeah, it's last.
Then airline, electrical, then we are done. Oh, well, board setup, but this is turning out quite nicely. So, as you guys saw, vacuumed everything. Skyler's gonna make sure he puts the windows up all the way next time.
No, let's put it back to what it was.
So this is the max right here then.
Yeah, that's how.
If we it was to air out all the way,
No.
what it would look like.
So if you air up,
Next pressure.
I mean, air up. Not, yeah.
this will be the max. I'm only saying that now.
Well, at least you can clear the driveway now.
Well, I'm only saying that now because right now is the best time to do the adjustment. So you can add more height to it.
Oh no, that's now. To me, this is good.
Okay.
Yeah,
This will be enough
that's
to get in and out of a driveway.
Cool.
yeah. Main thing is the
I'm not
front.
gonna ride that height.
The
Yeah.
front will be able to go higher than the back.
Yeah.
I can tell you that right now.
Okay, that's good. The front
So,
is the best.
what time is it now?
Probably 2.
3.
3 o'clock. We started at what? 12:30.
Because I got here at like almost 1.
Yeah, we started at 12:30 because it took us like half an hour just to get up the driveway.
If you're kind of getting in the driveway.
Dude, this is good progress. It's pretty good progress.
I mean, the thing is, we're not rushing either. You know,
Yeah.
it's kinda going okay.
Nice. We gonna get it. We gonna get this done today. I'm saying it again. First one on YouTube to ever bag an NSX in one day. Nobody's ever shown it, but we are. We out here. Oahu, represent. All right, y'all, quick update. So what we're doing, there was a plastic trim in the wheel well, but now we had a change of plans. So if you guys take a look back here, all right, let's get a better angle. So if you see this side marker right here on the car, there's an electrical line, of course, that'll run right to it, if you guys can see it. Where that electrical line runs all the way towards the back, Comes right around here. Comes right around here. That little bad boy. So what we're gonna do now is, instead of running it this way where we originally thought we were going to, this is the easiest way to do it. So run it through the grommet of your side marker, make a little hole, and we're gonna run our air lines for the rear over there. And likely, I can pull this out. Right over there. You guys can see that. Right over here. We're making good progress. Really good progress. Don't mind the guys in the back. Pizza's ordered. Thank God. We're hungry. It's been 3 hours. Fourth strut is already going in. Interior stripped. Airline is next. Then we're gonna do the electrical. And we're gonna do it. One day, bagged, NSX. First on YouTube. Saying it again. Challenge your standards, boys. We gotta challenge your standards.